Imagine unlocking superhuman strength or transforming into a dragon in Blox Fruits. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover how to collect these powerful devil fruits. Devil fruits are the core mechanism of Blox Fruits, granting you distinct supernatural abilities to dominate the game. One thrilling way to get a devil fruit is by standing out during factory raids. Inflict the most damage on the factory's core to earn a random devil fruit. Another exciting method is fiercely defending the castle on the sea. Defeat the final raid boss to claim your devil fruit reward. Taking on the brigade during a ship raid is also a powerful strategy. Sink the brigade ship for a chance to receive a devil fruit. For a more peaceful approach, roam the map to pick up spawned devil fruits. They appear hourly on weekdays and every 45 minutes on weekends. Consider purchasing the Fruit Notifier Game Pass to get alerts when a devil fruit spawns, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. Buying fruits from the Blox Fruit dealer is the easiest way, but it comes at a cost. Use Robux or Belly to purchase these powerful items. Alternatively, try your luck with the Blox Fruit Gacha for a random devil fruit based on your current rank. Elevate your gameplay by trading devil fruits with other players. Head to the cafe in the second sea or the mansion in the third sea to make your trades. Maximize your adventure in Blox Fruits by collecting all the devil fruits. Unlock superhuman abilities and dominate the 7 seas. How many have you collected? Let us know in the comments.